Alright, what's the word, everybody? It's your boy Jsitez, and I'm here today with yet another tutorial. You feel what I'm saying? And today, I'm definitely about to show you guys how most people are executing that effect with the black face and the glowing eyes. I really don't have a name for it, but that's just what it is. But let's just jump straight into this. First off, you want to get your subject's eyes. So I'm gonna duplicate my clip, man, twice, and I'm gonna name one layer eyes, and the other one, okay, come up into this rotoscope tool up here. Instead of rotoing the whole eye, I'm gonna do the pupil. I'm just trying to show you guys the best way possible. There's never a right or wrong way of doing these things, bro. Never. Alright, so once you mask out your eyes, you want to come over to freeze, and you're just gonna let that freeze out real quick. Okay, so once that's done, let's mask out the face, and you could do the same thing with the rotoscope tool. Make a nice mask around your subject's face, grabbing up all the browns. It might, you know, go outside of his hoodie, so if you hold Alt on your keyboard and you drag in the spaces that you don't want, you can take out all the places that, you know, you can take out everything you don't want to be in this mask. So once you have your face rotoed out, what you can do is you can duplicate your face mask, right? And then you're gonna copy and paste your roto brush options into your bottom layer, and then in that bottom layer you can unfreeze the rotoscope, right? And then come up to invert foreground, refreeze the rotoscope, yeah, now you come back and now you see you gotta use G's without a fade. Magic comes in that. You can blur the mask by hitting the feather, making the feather like 33% around the face. Same here. And expand, I believe, the edges on the bottom. Shift the edges on the bottom layer, which is the overall footage, the background. And then you enable motion blur. And with your eyes, you can shift your edge maybe about, shoot, if you're only doing the pupil, I would do it 100%, to be honest. So you can add a curve, and once you add a curve, you can add a tint, and that's where you choose your color. You could choose red, enable deep glow, now you got that effect going on there. And yeah, man, that's how you execute that effect, man. If you have any issues, drop a comment down below. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more tutorial suggestions, anything you might want to see, let me know in the comment section down below as well. I'm paying attention to everything, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. I'm going to be back with more. And yeah, man, I'm out of here, man. Peace out.